So before this video gets started, I just want to let you know I'm going to leave a link down below for the app, this new app that I'm telling you guys about in today's video. If you want to use the link down below to sign up, you'll get an additional promotion, an additional bonus if you use my code and link. I just want to let you guys know. So yeah, throughout this video, if at any point you do decide to download the app, use the link down below to get my special promo attached to your account. All right, now let's get on to the full breakdown of the app. I'm gonna keep this super short and sweet. All right, enjoy. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to inform you guys that there is a new mobile app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers to fill up gas. So essentially giving Uber and Lyft drivers free gas. So if you are a current active Uber and Lyft driver, or if you've driven for Uber or Lyft in the past, and actually, even if you don't drive Uber and Lyft at all, but you do buy gas, you can use this app. It's in 41 states, so it's in most states, and it's in over 12,000 locations, so you can use this app if you're in these locations. However, Uber and Lyft drivers obviously drive a lot more, so you're gonna be already spending a lot more money on gas, so you can get a lot more cash back, or save a lot more money if you are an Uber and a Lyft driver. So without further ado, I'm just gonna sync up my phone here, and I'm gonna just show you the app. So this is the app on my home screen right here, GetUpside. If I scroll over here, I have Lyft, Uber driver, and the Lyft driver app as well. Obviously you got Tinder and Bumble for, actually I haven't even used those apps in like months. However, this is the app right here, GetUpside. Oh, by the way, guys, hit me up on TikTok. Look at this. You guys want to see something crazy? 798,000 followers. Who watches me? Guys, I'm even talking about this app on TikTok too. This is the app, GetUpside. I'm gonna click on them and try to hide my location, but I might have to edit it out. This is how it works though, guys. Oh, there we go. It didn't load, so hopefully it'll load. Oh, there we go. Finding offers near you. Just stay up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here we have it, guys. This is how the app looks. So at the very top, you can see I get $35.70 back per gallon when I fill up gas. But right here, it says $35.95 back. That's how I'm gonna actually get. So you see the 25 cents. So this gas station offers 25 cents back per gallon. If you refer some friends, you can get additional. That's how I am able to get over 35 bucks back. So what you want to do is you click claim, go to find a gas station near you, click claim, go over to that gas station. You'll have 4 hours to claim, to check in or whatever, and upload a gas receipt. Once you check in, then I believe you have like 20 minutes to upload your a picture of your gas receipt. And then what you want to do is you'll get the cash back once you go there. So what then you can cash out. I have $0 because I haven't cashed out, or I haven't done the gas. I'm still waiting for my money to come in. You can get access to all of these gift cards. You can do Amazon, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, PayPal, Dunkin' Donuts. I just do PayPal because I can get the money sent directly to my bank account. But honestly, guys, let's just say if you fill up 10 gallons of gas, even let's just say 15, you have a pretty decent sized tank, you're filling up 15 gallons of gas. Let's just say 14, because most people, you're not going to fill up a full 15 gallons. You times this by 0.4, you're going to get $5.60 back if you use my code and link. If you use my code and link, you'll get the additional 15 cents off per gallon. So yeah, that's how it works. If you want to get over $5 back per gallon on, when you fill up your gas, and then in the future, you'll always get up to 25 cents back per gallon. So again, let's say you're filling up 14 gallons of gas, times that by 0.25, $3.50, up to $3.50 back every single time you fill up 14 gallons. Or let's just say you're only doing 10. Most people have at least a 10 gallon tank. Times that by 0.25, $2.50, up to $2.50 every single time you fill up gas. And yeah, that's the app. I just wanted to let you guys know. Again, there will be a link down below for you to sign up for the app with my code and link to get that additional 15 cents back per gallon bonus. So yeah, guys, that's how it works. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.